Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you unboxing and first look of a Shieldon knife that I was generously donated from Steven by Shieldon Knives to the channel so that I can show you uh, the unboxing and first look on my experiences with the knife. So for those of you who do not see any previous Shieldon knife videos, Shieldon knives is a large, big ODM manufacturer for knives and tools in China. They were founded in 1998, and since then producing lots of tools and knives for the industry. Now they are offering also the in-house designed line of knives. Currently, all of them are designed by the in-house designer called Django, and this is the model Barraskewda. The model number is 904252S1-B. And like I mentioned in my previous videos, lots of companies are trying to invent different specific names for the knives. Some are using birds' names, some are using letters with numbers, and Shieldon knives did went with the names of Pokemon. So inside the package we can find this really nice pouch. Yet again, I must stress this in every video, lots of companies will give you only a bag or maybe a pouch, but none of those are probably carryable at you or your person. So if you don't want to conceal your knife, then this is probably one of the best options you can get. And pouches like these can cost around $10 to $12, so really a nice bonus you will get. Inside we have also a instruction manual or pamphlet in different languages. There is also Czech, which are our neighbors here in Slovakia, so I can definitely read that. So yeah, really nice touch. I never seen any other companies who did put instruction in Czech on their product. So a nice touch there. Okay, so the Barraskewda. So Barraskewda is a really nice, I would say, EDC, also a slash maybe office knife. Definitely, you will see nice features the knife has. Let me give you the specifications first. So we have a over length of 21.9 centimeters, which is 8.6 inches. The blade length is 9.5 centimeters or 3.7 inches. The blade width is 2.7 centimeters or 1 inch. Thickness is 3.5 millimeters or 0.14 inches. The handle is 12.5 centimeters or 4.9 inches, and the thickness without a pocket clip is 1.1 centimeter or 0.4 inches. Okay, so we have a stainless steel construction. The blade is a D2 with a really nice reversed Tanto point. The blade finish is black or gray titanium coating depending on the model you are getting. This one is the black titanium coating. You have the model number, name of the knife, designer, and the other side we have Shieldon logo, and D2 is here on the top. The handles, like I mentioned, are made out of stainless steel, which is like on previous ones 3CR14, and we have carbon fiber inlays, one on the presentation side and two on the lock side. This is definitely a really nice touch. Then there is also a lock stabilizer disc. And this is a frame lock construction. The pivot assembly runs on ceramic caged ball bearing washers. The blade has a really nice false edge on the top and comes to a really neat sharp point. Okay, we have a full, probably G10 backspacer with a really nice designed lanyard hole. We have a slim stainless steel pocket clip, which is has medium to light tension. This is what you would like to have on a EDC office carry knife, because not a lot of times you will have any hard or tight fabric, thick fabric where you're using your maybe some slacks and trousers, not some kind of heavy duty pants or tactical pants. So the centering is perfectly centered, really nice to see. We have nice chamfering or rounding all around the knife. We have T8 we have T8 body screws and T10 for the pivot. Inside we have milled out pockets for weight reduction, another really nice detail that they could omit, but they went the extra mile and lightened the knife up as much as possible, and to give you a really sturdy stainless steel construction. So the weight comes in 128 grams or 4.5 ounces. So for a almost 22 centimeters or 8.6 inches long knife, this is definitely a really nice weight to size ratio. Okay, one thing that I did observe is there is some maybe material left, or maybe there was some kind of cutting issue, as you can see there, but definitely nothing that would impair the functioning of the knife. And this could be just with my unit, so I will not call it as a negative, but would like to point it out. And it is a little bit sharp here, so but overall, if you are grabbing the knife, you will not come in contact with this part here, so it will not irritate your finger whatsoever. Okay, let's see the pocket profile. So like I mentioned, the tension is really nice, so it will glide in with almost no effort, and it will stay nicely and secured. This is how much will stick out, so definitely really nice. While for me personally, I would like to have a deep carry pocket clip, but yes, I understand they went with this design to keep it really nice and clean. As you can see, the lines go with the cutout of the frame right there. So opening is really smooth. The detent is really nicely dialed in, so you have 100% opening. It preloads itself, so yeah, really nice action, I must emphasize that. Okay, let's see the sharpness test. So out of the box, like I would like to share, so this is really nice and sharp. Usually they use a 15 to 20 degree angle just to have a perfect cutter. And of course, I always try to emphasize that if you have a D2, then any kind of coating is much preferred than nothing. Lots of companies, to keep the cost down, will give you only a satin belt, satin finish, and that could potentially rust really soon. So yeah, definitely big thumbs up that they went with the coating on this one, and overall will give really nice, so that's stylish tactical look, of course. Okay, let's talk about the pricing really quickly. So the MSRP is $118.99. The map pricing is $83.28. If you would like to buy it, you can go to your preferred knife reseller. Currently, I did found that White Mountain Knives has this one for this pricing, so $83 and some change. If you are looking for something stylish and tactical, then I would recommend to get one Barraskewda for your collection. Definitely will give you a really nice knife for your money. Okay, so let's see a few size comparisons. So let's bring out my Tucson 111. Kaiserberg Lighter 2, Kubi Eris, QSP Penguin, CVV Imperium, CVV Elementum, 2NF Cebu, Red Model 1, Buck Vintage Avid, 940 from Benchmade, QSP Penguin, Kershaw Leak, Spyderco Endura, Burger Plus Bonfire, Large Reptilian, Rough Rider Peanut, and Keiba Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I will put all the information regarding the company. You can go check them out. They have a really nice website. You will see lots of information about the specifications, about the materials used. Also, you can check out the team. Without that, I would like to thank Steven for sending this knife to my channel, so that I'm able to show it to everybody here, my audience. Also, if you have any questions regarding other stuff, other topics on my channel, then keep the comments down below. Of course, I'm more happy to reply to those questions also. And if you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you are not, then please consider subscribing to not miss any video regarding knives and everything else that I'm passionate about with collecting. Okay, wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon.